Here's how you can enable the floating app windows mode like this here, which will allow you to have a small mini window view for apps that you're currently viewing and also be able to navigate other apps while the window is above it. So this is for Poco phones with Android 15 Hyper OS 2. The fastest way to do this is by first going into the recents view mode. So whether you have the navigation buttons, which is your recents button, or perform the navigation gesture for recents view mode here. And if you have any app that's open already, you want to go ahead now and long press the app. When you do this, you'll see this little icon right here. By tapping on this little icon right here, that's going to go into floating app windows mode. Once you do this, you'll now have the app looking like this here. You can adjust from the corners, shrinking the size of it, and also be able to go through other apps while you are using this here. So you can navigate this here and move it around, and you can also browse through other apps while you're in that floating windows mode, okay? Now, if you back away from any app, it'll most likely shrink up like this here. You can also tap on it one time. That's gonna bring it back the size. You can increase it or decrease it, bringing it all the way to one corner. We'll keep it there like that here. A single tap, pull it all the way up like this or down like that here. We'll reopen it up. Yes, I just hit my camera, but that's how you would go about doing it. And just for bad news, sorry, but for some reason they don't allow YouTube to do it. So if you long press on a YouTube, it won't have that option.